In this video, we're diving into how to create a sales funnel with Mailchimp automation. If you're looking to streamline your marketing process, increase conversions, and simplify customer engagement, this is the video you need. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a powerful sales funnel that works for your business using Mailchimp's automation tools. Now, before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can use Mailchimp completely for free through the first link in the description below. Plus, you'll get some exclusive bonuses to help you get started fast. Alright, let's start with the first thing you need to know. Setting up a sales funnel in Mailchimp starts with understanding your audience and defining the stages of your funnel. Whether it's awareness, interest, or decision, each step needs its own targeted campaign. Mailchimp makes this easy with audience segmentation. By dividing your list into specific groups based on behavior, location, or interest, you can create highly personalized email content that speaks to the right people at the right time. Next, let's talk about automating your emails. Once you have your segment set up, you can trigger a series of emails to go out based on certain actions, like signing up for your newsletter or downloading a free resource. This is where the magic of Mailchimp automation comes in. You don't have to manually send each email. Mailchimp will do that for you, ensuring your leads are nurtured without you lifting a finger. You can set it up in just a few clicks, and it'll run in the background while you focus on other important tasks. The third thing you'll want to consider is creating engaging content for each step of your funnel. This means writing emails that address specific pain points and provide value. For example, the first email might welcome them and explain what they can expect from your brand. The second email could share a helpful tip or a case study, and as they progress, you move them closer to making a purchase. Remember, the goal is to keep your content relevant and engaging, so your leads stay interested. Now, let's talk about how to optimize your sales funnel. Mailchimp provides detailed analytics that shows how your emails are performing. Are your open rates low? Maybe your subject lines need tweaking. Are people not clicking through your links? You might need to adjust your call to action or offer. With Mailchimp, you can test different elements of your emails like subject lines, content, and images to see what works best and improve your funnel's performance. And here's the fourth thing, personalization. As you continue to build your sales funnel, personalization becomes more and more crucial. Mailchimp allows you to include dynamic content in your emails, so you can speak to each recipient as an individual. Whether it's adding their name to the email or suggesting products based on their previous interactions, this personal touch can make a huge difference in conversion rates. Lastly, let's talk about integration. One of the best features of Mailchimp is its ability to integrate with other tools you may already be using, like your CRM, e-commerce platform, or landing page builder. This makes it easier to gather leads, track customer behavior, and nurture your sales funnel seamlessly. You won't have to worry about syncing data manually, as Mailchimp automates that process for you. To wrap up, creating a sales funnel with Mailchimp automation can transform how you engage with leads and customers. It's not just about sending emails, it's about building relationships that drive conversions. And remember, if you want to get started for free, be sure to click the link below for access to the Mailchimp free trial, along with our exclusive bonuses to help you hit the ground running. By using Mailchimp, you're not just automating emails, you're building a powerful sales machine that works for you 24/7.